Hey everyone, I'm so honored and privileged to be with world-renowned golfer and Pro Golf Hall of Famer, of course, Betsy King. We are here at the Balboa Beach Resort here in Newport. Now listen, Betsy, I have to tell you something. You said something so pivotal in your speech today. Now as golfers, we're all taught to keep our heads down, right?
Right.
And you did that for years, which made you on fire. But after a while, you said you had this vision that it was time to lift your head up. What does that mean?
Well, when I played on the tour, I really concentrated on the golf, pretty single-minded, and I found that when I retired, things had to change. Instead of always looking down on the golf course, I needed to look out and look into the world, and I decided to try to make a big positive difference in the world and co-founded Golf Fore Africa with a friend, and we're raising money to bring clean water to Africa. And so our event here today, called Strong Women, Strong World, was to help raise money to provide wells, clean water wells in rural villages and mechanized systems at health clinics and schools. And so far we've brought clean water to over 100,000 people.
I just love that. Well, another thing I learned today is really water is life, right?
Very much so.
Without it, they really can't do anything. So I'm so inspired by you. Now listen, once again, I'm a realtor at Seven Gables Real Estate here in Orange County, and my real estate partner and I are going to be making a donation for every house we sell, whether you buy or sell a property, to the charity, of course, of your choice. But a lot of people don't have a charity, and they just don't think about it. So I'm encouraging you to get involved. And how can, in the meantime, or even if you're not buying a house or selling a house, how can they get involved in helping you on your mission? Because you are so passionate about this, Betsy.
Well, thank you. Yeah, I'm about to make my 24th trip to Africa in December. So go to golfforeafrica.org, and it's spelled F-O-R-E, Africa, and you can make a donation right there. 15,000 brings clean water to one community, which is about 300 people. So I know some people can do that, but if not, anything you donate will make a difference. $50 brings clean water to one person for a lifetime. So I hope you'll help us out. And thanks so much, Jules.
Yeah, well, once again, as a mother, it breaks our heart to see the videos I saw today, and I think that I'm going to take a quote from Spider-Man: "With great privilege comes great responsibility," right?
Very much
So, Betsy, you are so inspiring, and once again, get involved what you can. Every little penny helps, and thank you so much. What an honor to meet you.
Thank you.
Okay.
All righty. Thanks, Jules.